Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers button widget to your Weebly website. Button widgets can help you guide visitors to important pages, highlight offers or calls to action, and make it easier for users to take the next step on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Button in the search bar and open the widget. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the layout is selected, the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the widget settings. In the Setup tab, you can change the content. You can make the button icon only, and if icon only is disabled, you can also change the button text, add subtext, and upload a custom icon. Next, in Widget Layout, you can use the button as an embed or floating widget. If you select floating, you can also change the position of the widget. In Trigger an Action, you can add a destination link and choose to open it in a new tab. In the Advanced Layout section, you can add text above and below the button and customize that text as needed. Then, in Templates, you can change the button template. In the Appearance tab, you can choose from different design styles, and if you want to customize styles and colors manually, you can do that from this panel. You can also add and customize animations. In Typography and Size, you can adjust the font size, style, vertical padding, and horizontal padding. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Weebly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed Code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.